Today we will open this AV to VGA converter. We will see how it works. We will identify the main component. Let's begin. These are the AV input. Yellow is composite video, white and red are left and right audio. This is the VGA output. This is the audio output. USB power here. The signal enter here. It is processed on the board, then it goes to the VGA output. This is the main chip. It is the brain of the converter. It does almost all the work. It receives the video signal. It converts analog video to digital. It scales the image. Then it creates the VGA signal. Without this chip, nothing works. Interesting tip: composite video is analog. VGA is also analog. But inside the chip, the video becomes digital, then it becomes analog again. This is a crystal. It generates the clock signal. The processor needs this clock. Without this, the converter cannot work. This is another micro silicon chip. It supports the main processor. It handles part of the signal processing. Look at this. Look at this. Now let's see power input. This is the voltage regulator. USB gives 5 volts. The processor needs a lower voltage. This chip makes the correct voltage. The signal comes in. The main chip processes it. The image is scaled. Finally, the VGA signal goes to monitor. This is a simple converter, but there is a lot of engineering inside. A small board, powerful chip, smart design. Thanks for watching. See you the next video.